Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello you guys, it's Krissy back with another video. And you might as well subscribe to my channel simply because me and my K-babies are lit, and we lit because you really like that, period. If you subscribe, then you most definitely be lit too. That's it, that's all, and that's just that, period. Y'all, like, I realized that I high-key be saying period. I want to say maybe like 20 times a video, and I'm gonna chill on that because I don't know why I say it so much. But in today's video, I am going to be doing a bun, y'all. A high bun with a swoop, period. I'm gonna say it that time. But the products I'm gonna be using is, you already know, Eco Styler. I'm gonna use a spray bottle because I have not taken this sleek low bun out since the day that I did it. I know, right? That's sad. Edge control, my brushes, my hairpin, and we're gonna add a little, you know, razzle dazzle to it. Oh, these eyes be tickling me.
Boy, if you don't...
Not these eyes, but these lashes be tickling me because they are so freaking long and it tickles me. Okay, anyways, we will add some razzle dazzle, some pins to the swoop, you dig. And I got my clips, my hair tie, all of that. So let's just get straight into this video. Y'all already know, like, I got some type of some product buildup. I just know I do because I used a lot of Eco Style last time. Plus, I'm going to be washing my hair in like a couple days anyway because I'm getting it done for school. That's why I'm trying to bless y'all with a couple natural hairstyles before I get my hair done. Can't y'all see my waves? Like, they're so cute. I really want to do another wash and go, but it's like, I just don't know. But y'all, I'm not gonna do much talking throughout this video because I be talking enough. So we just gonna speed it up. Okay, y'all, so I'm just getting my spray bottle, spraying my perimeter of my hair because of the products that I used the day before. It was a little stiff. And yes, I see that there is product residue. You're not going to be able to see that once I continue on with the style. So please disregard that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to section off your hair. And you're sectioning off the swoop. And then once you section off that swoop, you're going to just, you know, clip it up just to get it out the way. Okay, y'all, so the next step is to just slick up your hair. What I'm going to be using to slick up my hair is some water, Eco Style and edge control, but I will not be using that much edge control or Eco Style simply because the last time I slicked up my hair, as you can see, I used enough products to maybe last for a week, so I will only be using just a smidget of those products. Y'all, please remember, the slicker your hair is, the better this style is most definitely going to turn out. Okay, y'all, so now that my hair is pretty slick, I want to get a hair tie, and I'm just gonna like tie like the end of my bun into like a little bun, just so whenever I use my string method, it'll, you know, slick up better without, you know, the remaining pieces of my hair getting in the way. Okay, y'all, so now that I am going to continuously wrap that around, I'm going to get like a scrunchie, and you see how I kind of put it maybe like 3 inches above the brown hair tie that I just wrapped around. That's just so that my top knot bun can have some height, and it's totally safe to do. I would just only wrap it around there twice, and then boom, y'all, like, look at it, it's so cute. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna do my Okay, y'all, so for my bang, I'm going to be using some Eco Styler and Edge Control just to slick that down, and you want it as slick as possible. I'm also going to be using the Got Super Glue Freeze Spray to kind of like, you know, just hold it together, because me using the Edge Control and the Eco Styler Gel, it kind of makes my hair curl up. So the Got Super Glue Freeze Spray prevents it from doing that. Ooh. How slick it is, but I want to get in some bobby pins, and I am going to pin it. Hopefully, you know, it cooperates with me. So I had to do some finishing touches on my swoop, because like I did not want any gaps at all, and as you can see, it was trying to gap up. But now I want to do my edges, and I didn't really do any talking throughout that part, because I mean, it's just like one little swoop and then my sideburn. But it just looks so cute. Like, I'm so satisfied. I haven't even laid it yet. I'm gonna let my hair lay. I'm finna tie it up with, you know, my handy dandy scarf. And I'm gonna let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, not too long, you know. And then we're gonna come back, add the pins, and then see what's popping.
One eternity later.
And y'all, I don't too much like how that messed up on me, but that's okay, cause this is cute. This is really cute. Like, I like this. This is bothering me though, so I'm gonna have to get my stuff so I can fix that, cause I don't like this. I feel like my suit should have been brought down some, but I don't know if y'all can see it. It's cute. Okay, so I was gonna add these pins, but I might not need them. Or do I? Let me see. I don't know. Y'all think I need the pins? I don't want to mess it up. These pins don't look right. Hold on, let me see. Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't think I need them. I really don't think I need the pins, but I guess I'll put the pins in. It came out really good. I think it would look cute if I could have did it in front of the freaking sunlight, because the light just would have been hitting. But thank you guys so much. This is really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, all of that. And stay lifted and encouraged always. Love you, cat babies.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my